at the Renishaw booth at IMTEX 2019 and in conversation with Mr. Weaver. Thank you for speaking with us,
Thank you,
Mr.
thank
Weaver.
you.
I have 3 questions for you.
Sure.
The first question is, what technology are you demonstrating here or showcasing here at IMTEX?
I mean, there's many, but there's 2 main concepts that we're looking at this year. One is around smart factory. Now, this is to try to take our customers on the road to being a much more process-driven customer. So rather than just focusing around products, we're trying to show them the example of how they can improve process control to improve the output within their factories. So that's one area around measurement and metrology, and the second area is around additive manufacturing. Now we have a mock-up here, but in our other stand in Hall 6, we have a live running additive machine with 4 lasers. Our concept here is how we can improve and process capability within additive and improve productivity without compromising quality. Those are the main messages.
Right. So second question is, how has been for you at IMTEX? This is the 6th day. So how were the 5 days? How was the footfall?
I think we've been pleasantly surprised. It's certainly more than it was 2 years ago. And I think it's partly to do with the fact that the industry itself is doing very well at the moment in India. So I think the type of people we're having here, we're in very good conversations with senior people. So the weekend was more general, but then the weekdays have been much more focused around senior conversations. So we're very pleased.
So the footfall has been great and you're meeting potential customers.
Exactly.
Okay. That has been the view of a lot of other people. Interviewed with. The third question is about the industry and the market situation vis-a-vis 2018-2019. How do you think it has been?
So I think India in general in the manufacturing sector is on a growth phase at the moment. One of the reasons why we're investing heavily, and this example is to show we are investing heavily, is that we see that growth continuing. So this year has been very good. We expect for the next year or 2 to continue in the same vein. At least, the machine tool industry is growing 20-25%. The CMM industry is growing the same area. So it's a great place to be at the moment. And if we compare to other Asian markets, other Asia Pacific markets, India is certainly leading the way. Where China is perhaps a little bit slower now and other Southeast Asian areas, India is really driving the market for us.
Do you think China has already reached its peak, or is it just?
I don't think it's reached its peak by any means. It's just, obviously there's a lot of political issues around China at the moment. But, India doesn't have that, and I think Modi is making a difference for us, and it's really going to help drive the future of Indian manufacturing.
Last thing, do you want to give any message to your customers? Do you want to say anything to them?
Well, firstly, to all our existing customers, thank you for the continued business. We're here to support you. We invest heavily in the team here. We've got a good team here now to support. And anybody new who wants to come along and see us just towards the end of the show, please come see some of the new technologies that we can offer. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.